Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Jerry McManus from Keller Williams. I want to put an idea in your head. Have you had an equity analysis done on your home? Well, what does that mean? Well, let me ask you a question. A lot of us that are out there have like an IRA, a 401k, some kind of stocks and bond savings program, and we talk to our financial advisor maybe once a year, twice a year. But let me ask you a question. Have you ever talked to a trusted real estate professional like myself to find out what the equity position in your home is? A lot of people are thinking, well, no, I only know that I owe $200,000 on my house and I think it's worth XYZ. Well, why don't you take the opportunity to be able to talk to a real estate advisor like myself and to be able to share you what is your equity position in your home. So what is an equity position? An equity position is when I take a look at your house, tell you where your house would sell in today's market. Then what we do is we take a look at other liens that are against your house, see if you'll have a home equity line of credit or your traditional 30-year mortgage. And what you do is you take the asset price, the liability price, and subtract the two of them, and you have an equity position. Just as a crude example, say you owe $200,000 on your home, but it's worth $500,000. So you have a $300,000 equity position in your house. And the reason that that's important is because rather than have that money sit there, you can take that money and go and put that to work for you. You may want to be able to either refinance or put on a home equity line of credit and buy investment properties, a condo, a townhome, a duplex, a triplex, doesn't matter what it is, but something that will generate income for you. You might want to have a talk with your accountant about exactly how that works. And this way, what you'll understand is your options, some of your financial options with what is probably your biggest asset. That a lot of folks ignore that part of their own personal portfolios, but this way you could be a lot more active manager in that. Maybe you've even been thinking about recently, the kids are getting a little bit older and maybe you're looking for a vacation home. I know this is one of the things that I've been thinking about recently. And that would just be an increase in the quality of life by taking some of the equity that you have in your home now and redeploying that for other purposes. Why don't you and I talk about what would be your equity position in your home? And then this way, like sitting down and talking to your accountant or your financial advisor, that you may be able to take a look and see what other options are available for you in today's market. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.